So for today's makeup, since it's my everyday makeup, I'm just gonna start off with some tinted moisturizer. Now, since it's just a look to make you not like you just woke up out of bed, I don't use tons of makeup because I don't really like having tons of makeup on my face. So I'm just gonna take my First Aid Beauty tinted moisturizer, this is it, and put that all over my face. I get like a little bit. Can you see that? That's gonna work. Yeah. I'm just gonna rub them together, and I don't use a brush or anything else because this is just mainly for SPF and to even out my skin tone, because I personally don't like that cakey makeup look. So after I'm done with that, I'm just going to take my concealer, which is, I use the Revolution Concealer Conceal and Define. Here it is. It's so cheap. I've had it for like since before August and it's still going strong. It works. I just put that under my eyes. Again, literally the tiniest bit, and then I get red right here, so right here. And then again, if you want to cover up your pimples, you go for it. We'll use the brush. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just kind of dab it in. Because it's not a lot, you don't need to set it or anything. Okay, like literally, that's it. We're already killing the game, guys. And then if we're feeling fancy, we'll put some bronzer in the lid. So let's get our bronzer out. Okay, so we have our bronzer. I just used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer right here. There we go. I like it. I got the mini because I feel like I didn't need the big one, and I've had the mini for a while and it's still going quite strong. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. Doesn't really matter what kind. Or if you want a thinner one, take a thinner one. But I'm just going to use this Morphe N433 brush right here. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. Now again, I really don't use a lot. So I feel like it just adds some definition and more to the look, and if you have blue eyes, or I feel like any color eyes, it makes it pop really nicely. So then, eyebrows. So I'm just going to use my Glossier eyebrow gel. I like this one. I also use the Anastasia eyebrow gel. That one was $9 from Sephora. I think it was like the mini, was it the mini one? It was just like in the travel section, like right when you check out, and it's honestly the same as Glossier Boy Brow. So whatever you have, whatever is cheapest. Okay, so ignore my dog barking in the background at the other dogs that I guess are gonna come into my house and take us all, who knows. We're just gonna take brow gel, and I like bringing this up and then bring it back down. I'm letting my eyebrows grow out a little bit during this quarantine time, and yeah, I mean, I don't know why I told you that, but I did. So that's why they're kind of crazy. Not gonna lie, super crazy actually if you get closer. So we're not gonna get closer. Okay, and then we are gonna do blush. As you can tell, we're very all over the place with this because this is typically how it is. I typically go by, what should I do next? What would be fun? Who knows? So I'm just gonna use the Benetint blush right here. I love it. I also use the Glossier one, but I can't find that one at the moment. But I feel like for this natural glow, it's the same. I like using blush because I feel like it just adds to the look. I do 1, 2, 3, and then I just blend it right here. feel like it gives you that summertime glow. Now, if you're feeling crazy, you can put some bronzer on your cheekbones, but we're not going to do that today. Then our second to last step. Well, technically it's our third, but it's fine. So we're going to curl our eyelashes. So here we go. Fun journey. I'm not going to let you watch this because I hate watching people curl their eyelashes. I think it's so gross. So here we go. Ready? Let's do a cool little transition. Now let's do a clap. 1, 2, 3. We're back. How was that transition? Probably not great, but we're here. So yeah, so my eyelashes are curled. This is what they typically look like. I normally just leave them because I have black eyelashes, so they're typically fine and they stay curled longer, but for you guys, I will put some mascara on because it's a special occasion. So I really have been loving the Honest Beauty mascara. So yeah, this one has a primer, which is fun and different. I do feel like it makes my eyelashes stay curled for longer, so we're gonna use that and then use the mascara. So I let that sit and dry, and in the meantime I put some chapstick on because my lips are so dry. Okay, so after the primer has dried, you typically can't see the white anymore. I'm gonna go in with the mascara part, which is kind of fun, and just go through again with mascara. So I'm gonna let my mascara dry for a little bit. I typically don't do the bottom because I already have black eyelashes, and yeah. Okay, so because I couldn't decide on a lipstick, for the usual, we're just gonna go with the gloss. And I love a gloss. We're here for a gloss. They're fun, they're fresh. Yeah, you get the point. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. gloss, just the clear. I love it. It's hydrating. It's I think $2 and cruelty-free, vegan. We're here for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on my lips. So there's the finished look. I hope you guys like it with the hair down and everything like that all completed. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video or want to see different ones. Just let me know. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and if you like this video, I'm sure you'll like all my other ones. So, till next time. Yep, see you later guys. Bye.